Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload your project to your GitHub account step by step. I will also show you how to clone any project from GitHub in two simple ways. First, downloading the project as a zip file. Second, cloning the project using the GitHub website. At the end, I will also guide you on how to add, commit and push your project files properly to GitHub. GitHub is an amazing tool that helps us store, share and manage our code. And today we will learn how to use it the right way. So without any delay, let's begin the video. Step 1. How to upload a project to GitHub. First, go to github.com and log into your account. Here you can see this repository. Click on it. Now click on the new button. Give your repository a name. For example, my first project. You can add a description if you want. Choose public or private. I will keep this public. Check on readme file. This will automatically create a readme file. Now click create repository. Connect your local project to GitHub. Open your project folder in VS Code. Now run this command one by one in your terminal. First, git init. This initialize git in your folder. Second, git add page dot. This add all your project files to GitHub. Third, git commit -m under double quotes. This is my first commit. This commits your files with a message. Now go back to GitHub and copy the same remote repository link. Now again come to your VS Code terminal and add this git remote add origin. Paste your repository link here. This connect your local project to GitHub. Finally, push your project to GitHub. Git push -u origin main. You see this error. Don't panic. I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error happens because your GitHub repository already have some files like a readme and your local project does not know about them. So I have this readme file. First of all, I am going to delete it. Now in the terminal, write this command git pull origin main allow unrelated histories. This allows you to pull files from a repository that was not originally connected to your local folder. Now Git will open a merge commit screen. Don't worry if it looks confusing. All you need to do is press the colon key, type WQ, press enter. That's it. Now try pushing your project again. Git push -u origin main. Now your project will be successfully pushed to GitHub. Step 2. How to clone a project from GitHub. There are two easy ways to clone a project. Method 1. Download zip file. Go to the project GitHub page, click on the green code button, select download zip. From here, extract the zip file to your computer and open it in your VS Code. Method 2. Clone with Git. Go to the project GitHub page, click on the green code button and copy the repository link. Create a file and open it in VS Code. Open your terminal on your VS Code and run this command git clone and repository link which you copied. Wait for it to finish. Your project is now fully cloned to your computer. Cloning is the better way because it keeps the connection to GitHub for future updates. Step 3. How to add and commit changes. Whenever you make changes to your project, you should do this in your terminal. First, git add space full stop. Git commit -m under double quotes update and add new features. Git push. This will update your GitHub project with the latest code. Git add means selecting files. Git commit means saving files. Git push means uploading files. The benefits of GitHub is GitHub help us to save your project safely online, share your work with others, collaborate with teams, track changes to your code, build a professional coding portfolio. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to upload your project to GitHub, how to clone project from GitHub, how to add and commit changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment below what you did like me to cover in the next tutorial. Until then, keep learning, keep coding and see you in the next video. Bye.